So here's the latest in my attempt to repair my refrigerator from leaking on the floor every time. Here's the model number. Come on. Whirlpool refrigerator. Anyway, model number, serial number. So down inside, well, I took the whole refrigerator apart. You can see. I took everything out. So I have a light behind the coil here, and I had to pull this coil out because behind the coil, my goodness, how can I see that? There's the hole. There's the hole that the water is supposed to go down. There we go. Well, in that hole, there was a piece of this spray foam insulation. I don't know how it got in there, but it got in there and it clogged that hole up, and the water was not going down through the hole. And also, the other issue I had was the tray that was underneath that coil has a dip to it. I don't know if you can see that or not. But anyway, I got my light. You could see right there, it has a dip to it. So whatever water was supposed to be running down that tray and out that hole and into that hole back there wasn't doing it. The tray was either overflowing, or the water from this end of the tray was dripping down inside my refrigerator, which caused this whole bottom tray here to fill up with ice and water and then come out the corner here and onto my kitchen floor, which I have to replace now because it's ruined my kitchen floor. But now I have everything apart, and I'm getting ready to put a new tray, a new drip tray in there and seal it up. Here's the new tray. The new tray doesn't have that dip in it like the other one, and hopefully that's gonna make it better. But I think the biggest problem was back in there where that hole is, way back in there where that hole is. I think my issue was all along that there was styrofoam, a piece of styrofoam insulation from behind here on this coil here that broke off and went down in that hole. All this is supposed to be all back there like that up against the wall. But I had to bend some of those tubes to get this out. What a bitch. I think I got it though.